snatch today, okay? Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Beauty by Faith. My name is Fewani and today I am going to be showing you guys a foundation that is full coverage, affordable, good for oily skin, and is going to cover all of your imperfection. If you are like me and you have oily skin and you have hyperpigmentation and all of that stuff, you are going to want to stick around for this video, okay? If you are new here, welcome. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that thumbs up button and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I upload a new video every Monday and Thursday, so make sure you come back and check that out. I'm going to start something new on my channel, so at the end of each video I'm going to be saying a motivational quote or something motivational, just to give you guys a little pick me up. I know I need a little pick me up sometimes, and I feel like in these trying times everybody needs something that's going to uplift their spirit, okay? I already started on my brow. If you want to see my brow tutorial, I will link that video in the description down below. Enough of this chit chat, okay? Let's get right into the video. So this foundation I have used many times. I don't like to come out here and recommend anything for people that I haven't tried myself and tested myself, okay?
Worldwide, baby. Jenny, taking this one worldwide.
So the foundation I'm going to be talking about today is Juvia's Place. I know some of you know about Juvia's Place and some of you might not know about Juvia's Place. I'm putting it out there. This foundation is about $20. They always have a sale going on for like $10. So I bought this for $10 US, but I live in Canada, so it's gonna be a little bit more expensive, $13. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to prime my face using my e.l.f. Oil Control Primer, and I just spritz this on my hands and I press it into my skin because I don't like to feel the spray on my face. I'm gonna let that dry down. So now that my primer is dried down, all you need, guys, I'm not kidding you, you need like this for the whole entire face. And I have so much hyperpigmentation, okay? Look at this, look at this. All right, so I like to just dot the foundation, dot my brush in the foundation and put it on my skin like that. Alright, for the magic, okay, just look at this. And I was not sponsored, my channel is not nearly big enough to be sponsored, but hey, Juvia's Place, if you want to hook a girl up, I'm here. Alright, so look at this. All I do is press this foundation into my skin and all that, and I still have product left on my hands. Look at that. Okay, check that out. All of my problems are gone just like that. And I feel like all of Juvia's Place products are super affordable. Just that I have on my forehead, and this will cover my entire forehead, okay? Look at that. Seamless, poreless, and believe me guys, I am always on the look for something that's going to give me full coverage, and keep me matte. Guys, look at that. Just that little bit of foundation covered my entire face. I kid you not. When I saw what this foundation could do, I said, let me get my sisters on this ASAP, okay? Because every girl loves a full coverage sometime. It covers everything, and I guarantee you. Well, I can't guarantee you because I don't sell the stuff, but I promise you that it's going to keep you matte. I'm going to use this instant age rewind eraser, and for me, the only thing I don't like about this is this part at the top. I feel like it's a waste of product, and I'm just only gonna put a little bit right up underneath my eyes. Here, a little bit here, and a little bit here. So I'm going to be using this new beauty blender that I got from Real Techniques. Thanks to my girl Madonna. You can check her out on her channel at Madonna Grace. I'm going to set this using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. While my face set, I am going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my face. Make sure you stick around for my motivational quote of the day. Alright guys, so this is how the foundation turned out. I add some lashes. I did a hint of orange eyeshadow. I used the same eyeshadow as blush. I did some bronzer and I add some lipstick. And oh, this is my birthday week. I turned 33 this month. Oh my gosh, I'm getting old, but it's a blessing. And that brings me to our inspirational quote of the day. The inspirational quote of the day is, put your best self forward, okay? Everything that you do, make sure you go out there and do the best you can, look the best you can, go out there and kill it, okay? Don't let anything or anyone stand in your way of achieving your goal or trying something new, okay? So make sure you go out there and put your best foot forward. This is the end of my video. I hope you guys love this video. I hope you guys go out and try this Juvia's Place foundation because I am in love. I'm not gonna lie, I'm going to use other foundations because I like to try new things. But this one I know is my go-to that I can just pick up and say, okay, yes, I know I can get
snatched today.
Snatch today, okay? Anyways, guys, I love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. So I have been wearing the makeup for about 4 hours, and this is how it looks.